Hello everyone, my name is Pooja Devdas Nikam. I am going to explain on today's topic ArrayList in a Java programming language. So firstly, what is a ArrayList and why is in a Java programming language ArrayList and what is the difference between ArrayList and array. So next one is what is the methods of ArrayList. So firstly, I can explain the what is the array. So array is also collection of similar type of elements. So array list. Array is also fixed size of array. So array is also used to the array is also primitive data type. So array is also called as a primitive data type. So it does not change the any size and fix size of array. So firstly, array is also declare the array and array name. So is called as a declaration of array. So another one is a what is a array list in a Java programming language. So firstly, I can explain the array list. Array list is a part of a collection framework. So firstly, ArrayList is also classes used to the dynamic array and storing the element. So it's like as a array. So but ArrayList size is also not a fixed size. Is also growth the size ArrayList. So ArrayList size is also growth. So we can add or remove the element anything. So more so it's much more fixable than the traditional array. So it's a provide the Java util package. So it's called as a array list. So array list is also we can we can have a duplicate element is also. So it's implement the list interface. So we can use the all the methods of list interface. So array list is a maintain the mostly part of the used to is array list is also maintain the insertion order. So internally, so it's inherit the abstract class and implement the list interfaces. So the most important part of array list. So array list class can contain the duplicate element. So array list is also maintain the insertion order. Then array list is a class is a non-synchronized. So array list allow the random access the array work as a index base. So array list is a work based on the index base. So searching the element is also index based. So array list is a manipulation of the letters slower than the. So linked list in Java, because lots of shifting need to the occurrence to the if you any element remove from the array list. So all array list one by one check. So so array list is also one by one check. Then is the array list then slow. Then array is also fast performance. Then array list is also slower performance. So firstly, I can explain list is also internally backend in a work as a array in a Java. So resize the operation to the array list is also slow down performance. So array list is also non-primitive data type. So array list is allow to the store the only generic type and generic type. So another one is array list is also provide the more methods. So firstly, I can explain the generic. So generic class is also store the string and character. So is called as a use to the generic class. So generic class is also store the string and character. So Another one is array list. Array list is always single dimensional. So another one is array list is also provide the add and remove get method, index of last index of two string and two array is also provide the array list method. Then another one is a contains method. So firstly array list method is also I can explain the firstly add method is also add the element, then perform the add add method. Then is a add method is also adding the data in the array, so it's called as a add method. Then another one is a get method. So already we can add the data, then you also get the data, then get the so you also get the index of element, so is also get the element. So get element is also adding the element 10 20 30 40 50. So you can also get the 10 element. So you also 10 element is also display. So another one is index of, and index of method is also 10 store the 0 index, then is also display the index of method, then next one is a last index of method. So last index of find the last index of method is also last index find. So 15 is also last index, then 15 is last index is also 4 index. So is also search the index is also available, then display, then not available, then -1. So another one is a contains method. So content method is also data type is also boolean data type. Boolean data type is also true or false. So contains method is also adding the all data, already have adding the all data. Then is also yeah, if you are content method use, then if you are available the data, then is also condition is true. Then if does not available in a contest method data, so another is a called the false method. So another one is a two string method. So two string method is also string the two string method is also string data type. So next one is a two array. So two array is also display the two array method. So is also called as a remove. Next one is a remove method. So remove method is also display the suppose we have already inserting the adding the data. Then yeah, if you index it, then remove the element. So is also called used to the remove element. So then remove the two position element remove. So to position remove the element is also 13. So 13 element is also remove. So display the only 10 20 and 40 50 is also display the list array list. So all about the array and array list. So thank you for watching video.